Given function f of x is equal to a square minus 1 upon a square plus 1 into x power 3 minus 3x plus 5 is a decreasing function. So that is f dash of x is less than 0 for x in the real number. So that is a square minus 1 upon a square plus 1 into differentiation of x power 3 is 3x square minus 3 is less than 0. Or we can write a square minus 1 upon a square plus 1 into x square minus 1 is less than 0. And since for this function to be negative, let us recall the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c is negative will be under the conditions delta should be less than 0 and the coefficient of x square must be negative so that it will be under x axis. So here the coefficient of x square is a square minus 1 upon a square minus 1 upon a square plus 1 must be less than 0. That is a square minus 1 must be less than 0. So we can write a plus 1 into a minus 1 is less than 0. So we can consider from minus 1 to 1, and by using the wavy curve method the negative region will be between minus 1 to 1. So a must belongs to minus 1 to 1, and even in the case of other than the condition of ax square plus bx plus c, for this expression to become less than 0, even x square coefficient can be 0 also. So whenever it is 0, so we can say a belongs to minus 1 to 1 closed interval. So here it is a belongs to minus 1 to 1 in case of quadratic curve, quadratic expression to satisfy the condition. But in case of like even if the coefficient of x square if it is equal to 0 also it is negative. So in such case we can include this minus 1 to plus 1. So we can go with an option C.